Perfect Laser is a world professional manufacturer for laser marking machine. The model PEDB-400B fiber laser marking machine adopts most advanced German technology. The fiber laser are of exceptional quality and can last up to 8 to 10 years without consumables and maintenance. The machine has many unique advantages. Firstly, high-quality import fiber laser source. It has exquisite marking effect, and all kinds of thin and complex pattern can be marked on the surface, which is suitable for all types of super thin marking. Secondly, optional multi-power laser light source. No matter what industry you belong to, no matter what material you use, this machine can customize the most suitable marking machine for your personality. Thirdly, fast marking and high efficiency. In the same time, the output of workpieces processed is obviously improved, and the return on investment of users is accelerated. The last but not least, compact, easy to use, and save space. If you have high demand for fiber laser machine, then this one will be your choice. Perfect Laser is going to be your best partner for now and forever.